press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my videos.
So in this video, I would be sharing my 5 favorite creams and moisturizers for dry skin people. Hey my love, how are you? And a fresh hello for all of you who are new for my channel, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe because I would be bringing more such amazing and fun videos for you guys. And also a giveaway is running on my channel and it would be ending soon in this weekend. So if you haven't enrolled, please enroll and you might win the giveaway. So the first product I'm having with me is this Lotus Herbal Shea Moist, and this is so good, guys. I just love it. As you guys all know, I'm a dry skin person and I just love things which are meant for dry skin. I never experiment with my skincare, never ever. So yes, this is shea butter and real strawberry 24-hour moisturizer, dry to normal skin. So if you are a dry skin person, or if you have a little bit of dryness with like normal skin, so you can surely use this. And I also have a separate review video on this, so if you haven't checked it out, I would be linking it in the bottom bar, so you can go and check it out. So it is not like extremely hydrating. It is a nice lightweight moisturizer which would give you a nice hydration. So yes, this is great. Now my favorite, like it is my evergreen thing. So this is the Cetaphil moisturizer and it is for dry to very dry skin. This is a bit expensive. This was for rupees 300 or 300 something for 100 grams, but believe me guys, it goes a long way. A little goes a long way. You need a very little amount and it would give you the most hydration you would ever need. So this is like amazing. It has like finished, so I need to buy myself a second one. So yes, this was my second product. And now comes my VLCC licorice cold cream. This is again one of my favorite. Obviously everything I have in this video is my favorite, that's why it is here in this video. So yes, this is something great. I also have a review on this one, so if you haven't checked it out, I would be linking it in the bottom bar. So yes, coming back to this VLCC licorice cold cream, this is very affordable guys. This was for rupees 135 for how many grams? I can't find the gram. I guess it is 60 gram or something, but I love the smell. It has rose smell and it has so many things guys. See, extract of grapeseed, cobra saffron, rose, licorice, aloe vera, oils of jojoba, olive, vitamin E, so many things guys. And it comes from a brand called VLCC, so obviously you can trust it. It is a good brand. So I would be applying a little bit on my hand so that I can smell it, and I just love it. So I just love it. And whenever at the night I am not getting my sleep, I just apply a little bit on my hand and I go to sleep and I feel so awesome. So yes, I just love it. So now my fourth product is from Jovi's Ayurveda. This is the Wrinkle Lift Cream and it has almond and ginseng. And it is for normal to dry and dry skin. I don't really understand what do they mean like for normal to dry and dry skin. Like dry and dry is the same thing. You could say like normal to dry and very dry skin, but whatsoever. So it has like almond and ginseng. Almond is great for your skin, almond oil. So yes, it was for rupees 195 and you get how much of the quantity you get? 60 grams of the quantity you get. And I also have a review on this. So yes, you know the place. So this is more of a like an oilier cream, you know, because it has almond oil, so I guess it is a bit oilier on the side. You can use it as a night cream also. It would hydrate and nourish your skin so really well, guys. So yes, this was the product. And now comes my last product of this video. So this is the Johnson's baby cream from Johnson & Johnson's, and it is for dryness and it gives you 24-hour moisture. So this is great. It was for 100 rupees. It is 100 grams of the product and it was for rupees 135, so it is really affordable and great for the skin. It would give you a boost of hydration and moisture and whatnot. So yes, I have used it and I quite like it. So yes, this was my product, and yes, this was all for this video. And yes guys, a giveaway is running on my channel, so if you haven't enrolled in the giveaway, please enroll, because it would be ending soon on this weekend. So yes, please enroll and you might win the giveaway. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also show some support by subscribing for my channel, and also hit that bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So this was all for this video. I hope you loved it, and I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.